Hello, welcome to a lot of episodes of the fantastic Tudor. Today we're going to work with the engine again. I haven't got all parts I need, but I can still work a bit. So I will do just that. We will install the camshaft for the last time, I hope. We will install the lifters for the last time, for the first and last time actually. And yeah, we'll see where we and we will see where we and we will see how much we get done today. Yoo-hoo! Adjustable lifters for the win. Yay! The stuff I got from where I bought the cam. It's like glue. It's really thick. And that's good because it's going to take a few days before I can break in the cam. So this will stick and stay, it feels like, for weeks. So there's actually no problem. I will pour on the top of the lifters as well. Yeah, that's really thick. This will be good. So yeah, woohoo! The cam is in the engine for the last time. Look at the difference in how long they are, the springs. This one was in this engine before. This is from another Model A engine. And this is the new stiffer springs. It's about 3 millimeters shorter than the shortest one here, and you can see the difference in those two. So yeah, I don't know why, but they sure should fit. I really hope they do. I'll actually measure. That's not really like me, but yeah. So this one is, yeah, I can push this one all the way up. I will measure this retainer. Extremely scientific. From the bottom up to this one, yeah, I got it exactly right. So the spring, when the valve is closed, it's this distance. Yeah, no problem. The spring is 5 millimeter compressed when the valve is closed. So yeah, that should do. I hope. How about this? Hope you can see this. Like so. I hooked this one over here, and not on the threads, but on the stud, and I just, well, Yeah. I think I can do this by hand. Well, I don't know why I bothered with this for this job. I just throw the springs in. But when I have those two in here, I should probably do finish one, actually. Here I have one of those retainers, spring retainers. I will hook this one over there, put this one over here, and I'll just the engine is too light. Okay. Yes, this is exactly how Ford did it back in the days. I managed to fit one. So now I know this fantastic piece of work is actually working. One is ready, the other is not. Push, push. So yeah, put this in, and the valve is supposed to be staying up. Bend. Quite easy, actually, when you get the hang of it. So yeah, let's take one at a time. It's pretty hard to do two at a time, I guess. Just push this in by hand. Valve up, hook, push and bend. Well, I will have the hook on this side so you don't slide off. This was actually quite nice. Okay, dropped one, take another one. I will not forget to put blah, blah, blah. Like that. Now I have one retainer in here. So I'll try to fish that one out. This is what makes good YouTube films. Me trying to fish. Okay, just a second. Yay! So, 1, 2, 3 ready. Let's do another one. Like that. Push this over here and that one in here. And the valve up, bend, and the retainer goes in like that. Yeah! Yeah, let's do the other ones. Yay! Ta-da! I bought a new one because this one is a bit worn out, and this is actually the wrong one. This is for a this is A for A, and this is for a German Ford G28 engine, the Köln engine. it has the dimple marking and has a line marking over there. So when you try to set the timing with a pin from the timing cover, you get it wrong. So this is wrong and worn. I'm going to save this, hang it on the wall, and I'm going to drive with this one. Lines up perfectly. Well, I was right. That's always a good sign. This looked like a drunk monkey have built it. I actually paid money for this one. Hard to believe, but I did. Yeah, it don't fit. It has it's not round perfectly. Here and here it hits this one. Great job. Well, yeah, I've started to adjusting the lifters, and it's a bit of a pain actually, because I have to adjust them when the spring is compressed. Otherwise I don't reach the lock nut, as you can see on those two. So yeah, it takes time. So I just started doing that, and I guess that will be for the next episode. So yeah, we can call this episode done. I've gotten the camshaft in, I've gotten the springs and the lifters, of course, in, and I've gotten the new cam gear in as well. So yeah, I've gotten a few parts done today anyway. So yeah, this is it for this episode. Well, yeah, this is it for this episode. Hope you having a good day, and see you on the next one. Bye! So I got the oil pan in place.